Congrats for making it to the last 10 days of the developer days, and here we come for the final month-long challenge for all the 3 tracks. So the first track is UI UX. For UI UX, you have to make a user interface of your app or website. ये जो आपने पहले वीक 1 और वीक 2 में प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट किए हैं उन्हीं से रिलेटेड है. यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क योर डाउट्स ऑन द डिस्कॉर्ड थ्रू टू द मेंटर्स. एंड ये जो पूरा गाइडलाइन अभी आप अपने स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, दैट वुड बी अवेलेबल टू यू इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो, एंड ऑल्सो द नेम ऑफ द मेंबर्स हु आर currently managing the UI UX sector. Now going towards the Android task. So for Android task for the month long challenge, it is play with Kotlin and its library. So सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एक चीज़ है, सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स ये जो फाइनल वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं आपको देव फोलियो पर ही सबमिट करने हैं. कोई और अगर आप उस पर फॉर गूगल फॉर्म पे सबमिट करते हैं तो यू विल नॉट बी अवॉर्डेड पॉइंट्स. देव फोलियो पे ही सबमिट करना है. इट्स द फाइनल लॉन्ग चैलेंज. अभी तक आपको जो वीक लॉन्ग चैलेंजेस मिले हैं उनकी ऑलरेडी नंबरिंग हो चुकी है एंड द डेवलपर डेज की वेबसाइट पे वो ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड है. अब इसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, स्पेशली फॉर एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट एंड फॉर वेब डेवलपमेंट. सावो ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए 5 एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं. सो अगर आपने अभी तक हम लोग का सावो वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा है, दैट हाउ कैन यू ऑथेंटिकेट योर प्रोजेक्ट टू सावो, यू शुड करेंटली सी इट राइट नाउ. और डिस्कॉर्ड पे आप किसी भी मेंटर को पिंग कर सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग सावो. ही वुड बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. अब सावो के साथ एक और बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा कि द बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स वुड बी अवॉर्डेड स्पेशल स्वैग किट्स फ्रॉम सावो. So if your projects get selected in the final development phase from the Savo, they would be happy to fund you as well as give you their monetary swag kit. So that's the Android development track. Now coming towards the web development track. For the web development track, it's play with JavaScript and its library or work on just HTML. Same goes with this. आपके पास यहाँ पर भी 2 ऑप्शन है. You can either use Postman for API or use Savo Labs authentication to integrate your projects. And most important thing I am telling again and again, it's common for all the 3 departments that you have to submit your projects on their folio. So that's the important. Now we can just jump to the part where we can see how we can submit our projects. Okay, so now we'll see how can we submit our projects. So आप सभी लोगों ने देव फोलियो पे रजिस्ट्रेशन किया होगा. So in the hackathon section you can see in the timeline section. Now आप लोग को एक ओवरव्यू भी दे देता हूँ. फॉर वेब डेवलपमेंट, एंड्रॉयड एंड यूआई यूएक्स, top 5 would be given swag prizes. Even the active participants of the whole developer days would be given you can say stickers, shirts and all. Depends upon your position on the basis of the leaderboard. And we will also be having separate winners for month-long challenges. Now you have to go to the timeline to submit your projects. Click on add project. Just add your project. I'll just type hello world. You have to write the tagline project hello world code, then the problem which it solves. So the problem statement which is given to you, you have to mention it here. Either you are making for UI UX, you are making for Android development, you are making for web development, please mention it here. And also if you are applying for 2 different tracks, for example I am applying for UI UX or web development track, so you have to mention both the problem statements like 1 and 2 in the bracket. Make sure you write the UI UX, this is the UX one, this is the web development one. Now you have to write about the challenges, technologies you have used, that is the most important part. You have to just list it out here. Now the most important thing, your GitHub website or App Store links, where actually we can see your projects, we can test your projects. And also if, as I have already mentioned, if you have applied for more than 1 track, for example 2 tracks, so you have to write here. You have to paste the links of all the projects you have made and make sure you write about those in the problem it solves. So we will be able to know that you have actually participated in 2 different tracks. Okay, this is also a most important part of the pictures. So you have to just take the screenshots of your work and you have to paste it here so that we would be able to see in which domain you have actually worked. So this is the applicable tracks as we have already mentioned to you. You can send it in web development, Android development, UI UX, Savo authentication challenge. It can be for both app development, web development. And we have also have our 4 gold sponsors, Polygon, Cello, Tezos and Foilcon. If you solve their problem statements through your projects, you will be given extra rewards. So you have to select here and you have to just click on the preview submission button and just submit your projects. The most important thing, the month-long challenge submission ends on 26th of September 2021 sharp at 12 p.m. at night. So make sure you submit it and keep yourself in the race of that leaderboard. Believe me, a lots and lots of swags are planned for you guys, and it's going to be worth it. Also, the point distribution is mentioned in the PDF, which is in the description below, for all the three tracks: UI, UX, app development, and web development. So make sure you, when you are making the final project, you use these points. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you then completing the month-long challenges, and most important point, submit the challenges on their folio. That's it. Thank you so much, everyone.